Ladies and gentlemen, have you ever had an idea so exciting that you couldn't wait to tell someone about it? Maybe a new business venture, a creative project, or a personal goal that you were sure would change your life. You told your friends, your family, or maybe even posted about it online. And then, nothing happened. The motivation faded, the plan never took off, and you were left wondering why. This happens more often than we realize, and the truth is, talking too much about our goals can actually hurt our chances of achieving them. John Rim once said, "Move in silence. Only speak when it's time to say checkmate." These words hold a profound truth. The more we announce our plans, the less likely they are to succeed. Why should you stay silent about your plans? 1. Talking feels like progress, but it's not. When you tell people about your big plans, they often react with excitement and encouragement. They might praise you, admire your ambition, or even call you a genius. But this creates a problem. Your brain starts to feel like you've already accomplished something when in reality, you've done nothing yet. Psychologists call this the social reality effect. When you talk about your goals, your brain releases dopamine, the same chemical associated with success. But this false sense of achievement kills your motivation. You feel satisfied before you've even started, making it less likely that you'll follow through. 2. People can discourage you, even unintentionally. Not everyone wants to see you succeed. Some people, even those closest to you, might plant seeds of doubt in your mind. That sounds risky. Are you sure you can pull it off? What if you fail? Maybe you should think it through more. I tried something similar, and it didn't work. You might want to reconsider. Even if they mean well, their doubts can shake your confidence. Worse, some people may secretly hope you fail because your success reminds them of what they haven't achieved. 3. Someone else might take your idea. In the world of business, innovation, and creativity, ideas are valuable, but they are also fragile. By sharing your plans too soon, you risk giving someone else the opportunity to act on them before you do. Many great ideas have been lost this way, not because they weren't good, but because someone else got to work on them faster. 4. Success is more powerful when it speaks for itself. Imagine two people, one constantly talking about how they're going to start a business, write a book, or get in shape, and another who says nothing, but one day shows up with a successful company, a published novel, or a transformed physique. Who earns more respect? Who has real influence? The one who did it, not the one who talked about it. Silence keeps you focused. It keeps you from seeking validation. And most importantly, it allows you to let your results do the talking. How to move in silence and succeed. Now that we understand the dangers of announcing our plans too soon, how do we stay disciplined and work in silence? Set goals, but keep them to yourself. Write them down, create a plan, and stay committed. Work consistently, without seeking approval. The only validation you need is the results you create. Avoid distractions. Don't waste energy explaining your vision to people who don't understand it. Let your success be your announcement. When you achieve your goal, people will notice, and that's when you speak. Conclusion. We live in a world where everyone wants to share everything, every idea, every step, every goal. But true success doesn't come from talking. It comes from action. So the next time you feel the urge to announce your big plans, pause. Keep them close. Protect them. Nurture them in silence. Because in the end, success is not about who talks the most, it's about who works the most. Thank you.